In number 63, I want to prove an identity ultimately. So feel free to look up your answer. So in this problem, I want to show that this is equal to 1 plus secant x. And we want to work with only one side of the identity, not both, because we don't know that the identity is true yet. So we can't solve using both sides. So I'm going to use the left side, and usually the side that looks more complicated is the one that's easier to work with, because we can simplify it down to be the other side. So what do? Well, we can rewrite things as sines and cosines, we can distribute, we can FOIL, etc. So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite what I've got here in terms of sines and cosines. So tangent is sine, and I'm going to change the s's to x's. It looks like I've done that already over here. So let's just make all of these x's. So I've got sine of x over cosine of x is tangent. Cotan is cosine over sine. And cosecant is 1 over sine. Now, I have rewritten the pieces in terms of sine and cosine. Now I'm going to distribute. So I'm going to multiply the sine over cosine by the cosine over sine. And I'm going to also multiply the sine over cosine by the 1 over sine. And in the first case, I get cosines and sines that cancel out to be 1. And in the next term, the sines cancel, and I get 1 over cosine. And 1 over cosine is equivalent to secant. So I have shown that that is equivalent to 1 plus secant.